You can now easily auto-install the Yeastar P-Series PBX on OVHcloud straight from the Yeastar Partner Portal. This makes setting things up so much easier, helping you respond to customer requests faster and cutting down installation time. In this video, we'll show you just how simple it is to get everything configured and ready to go. Let's start with basic concept. Auto install is realized by integrating Yeastar Partner Portal with OVHcloud through API. So all setup process can be done by simple clicks on the Partner Portal, without having to jump back and forth between two platforms. So to do it, we need to establish the API integration, then all feature developments can be done automatically. To begin, ensure you have an active Yeastar Partner Portal account. If you don't have one yet, you can go check on this link to get yours for free. Then access to OVHcloud with the public cloud project and a valid API key from OVHcloud. First, log into your OVHcloud account, navigate to the public cloud section, and create a new project. Name it. This project will host your Yeastar Software Edition. And next, generate an API key to allow your Yeastar Partner Portal to interact with your OVHcloud account. Go to the API section in OVHcloud, create a new key, and set permissions to read and write for your project. Save this key securely, as we will use it later. Now head to the Yeastar Partner Portal and log in with your credentials. In the Partner Portal, navigate to the Deploy section. Select the Yeastar P-Series Software Edition and choose OVHcloud as your cloud provider. Paste the API key generated earlier into the required field. Here, configure your instance parameters. Select the appropriate requirements based on your customer's need. You can get reference from this table in OVHcloud. Double-check all the details, including the OVHcloud project and instance configuration. If everything looks good, click on Deploy. The system will now automate the deployment process. You can monitor the deployment process directly in the portal. Once the process is complete, your Yeastar P-Series Software Edition will be live on OVHcloud. Finally, log into the deployed Yeastar instance using the credentials provided. Complete any additional configuration for your PBX system, and you're ready to go. Congratulations, you're successfully deployed the Yeastar P-Series Software Edition on OVHcloud using the Yeastar Partner Portal. Thanks for following along, and hope this video tutorial helps. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.